Look, I want you to dress as good as possible, and to do so, you have to be a little bit self-aware. So here's a quick list that if you're doing any of these, chances are your style, it probably sucks. Starting with number 1, your fit is garbage. See, at the end of the day, the only thing that really matters when it comes to dressing well is the fit. And I don't care whether it's logo, no logo, brands, no brands. It could be the cheapest stuff from Walmart, Shein. It doesn't matter where you're buying from. Fit is all that matters. So whether you're wearing oversized stuff or stuff that's a little bit more fitted, at the end of the day, you need to make sure it actually looks like it's made for you and not something that's borrowed or that fits too tight or too loose. The second mistake I see a lot is that you keep wearing the same brands over and over again. We are creatures of habits. So what ends up happening? You end up stumbling on a certain piece, you end up wearing that, and then you'll never change it, right? Like if you shop from H&M, you'll shop from H&M for the rest of your life and test nothing else. You have to understand there's so many designers, so many brands out there, different fits, different silhouettes, different color palettes. You have to try new things till you find that one thing that actually makes you feel confident. And that's what I'm trying to do with essentials. Even myself, I have designed essentials for the last 4 years. And right now, what we're about to do with essentials this year, it's unlike anything I've ever seen. And truly, I'm excited for what the brand is about to happen. See, April 1st, I'm letting you know early, bro. Like this is 2 months in advance. This will be the greatest and largest launch we've ever done. You heard me right. Last year, we barely did massive launches. I'm gonna be honest with you. This launch coming April 1st, anywhere from 30 to 45 new pieces are dropping. But I'm not even stopping there. I'm bringing in designers. I'm bringing in guys and girls that are leaders in their field, that have great style, that have a great eye, and more importantly, can bring in their own creativity, their own body frames to make sure we're designing the best fits and best styles across the spectrum. So we're bringing in 3 designers April 1st. We're gonna have Nav, he's gonna cover our streetwear stuff. Then we're gonna bring in Trey. I'm sure you've seen these guys on TikTok, Instagram. Their style's impeccable. Trey, my dude looks sharp all the time. He's gonna help us with our fitted stuff, our stuff that's a little bit more elegant. Then we're bringing Camila. She's gonna be designing the women's wear line. Again, her style on point, and the point is, for the first time ever, we're not only bringing a woman designer to help design the woman collection, we're dropping a woman collection because for over 14 months, over a year, we haven't dropped new women's pieces. She's gonna help us do that. This April 1st, bro, it'll be the largest launch we've done for essentials. A combined follow, we're talking about, bro, they're all large. These guys, they have like 6 million followers together, plus our followers. This stuff is gonna fly off the shelves, and I'm telling you this because I don't want my guys to lose out. This will sell out. I mean, you guys know how fast things move when it comes to essentials. I don't want you guys to miss out, and that's why right now, I'm letting you know, put that reminder on your phone, start saving now. This will be the largest launch we've ever done. I don't want you to miss it. Number 3. Your clothing is a mess. It's just not kept well. It's shrunken, it's overly stretched, it's torn, it's all wrinkled, it's stained. When your clothes is a mess, it's a great predictor of what your actual style is, because you can tell you're careless. When your clothing is not well kept, you're basically letting everyone know that you're careless, and you should take that as a sign and realize like, yo, I actually don't care about how I look. And then on the flip side, we got number 4. We have the guys that try too hard. These guys, their style's also garbage, and they don't even realize it because they think they're actually looking good. But the guys that put in too much effort, especially, see, as a man, it's all about simplicity. You're not supposed to match a girl. You know, I'll give you a great analogy. I don't know if most of you understand this, but you know, when it comes to tuxedos, the reason they were created all black and basically almost in uniform is to allow the women to shine. This was the original intent when tuxedos are created in a formal event. I want you to extrapolate that to the modern world. When you're going on a date, it's not so you can have an accessory show off with your date and try to look more beautiful than she does, bro. Keep it simple, right? Keep the silhouettes clean. Keep the lines clean. You don't need every logo under the sun on you. You don't have to be repping every designer brand. Keep it simple. Keep the logo simple. Keep the colors neutral. And I promise you, you'll look better. Number 5, you're overweight. Look, it's hard to be stylish when you're overweight. And yes, there's great guys that are crushing it right now and trying to show you can be. But at the end of the day, your style also includes you, your own body, your own health. You have to prioritize your health. For one, it's good for you, but more importantly, clothing looks better. You can ask 100 girls. You can put the same suit on a big guy and a fitted guy. The fitted guy will take the cake every single day, even if the big guy learns to fit. This should be a motivator for you. You gotta eat the right stuff. You gotta be hitting the gym, because a guy that has a six-pack will look good on everything. And on top of all of that, It's almost impossible to find great clothes. When you're overweight, you're making your life difficult, bro. Not only are you shortening your life, you're also making it difficult to be able to find clothes that you want. And that's when you end up buying at Big and Tall the ugly Dillard style clothing that aren't actually making you look your best. Sticks into number 6, you forget your grooming. Similar to your weight and health, see, personal style is not just the clothes you're throwing on. It's how you carry it. It's your entire package. And your grooming is equally important. Is your hair freshly cut? Right? Are your eyebrows nicely trimmed? You don't have any unibrow. Do you have your beard nicely kept? Is your skincare on point? Is your acne subsided? This is the stuff that matters. And ultimately, number 7, you're wearing too many colors. See, when it comes to style, bro, for the most part, again, there's always exceptions to the rule. But for the most part, if you're a guy that looks like a walking streetlight all the time, chances are your style is terrible. Chances are it's not practical in the real world. Yes, you have runway designers and you have super high-end influencers that show you that these crazy trendy fits. Cool, they look aesthetic, but in the real world, they serve zero functionality. If you want to look as good as possible in the real world, keep your colors neutral. Remove color to make it easier to mix and match and overall look better without a lot of effort.